Hey guys, today we're going to change the front sway bar links on this 2008 Pontiac G6. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Also, if you want, check out the links in the description below for my affiliate products. First, you need to break your lug nuts loose, jack up your vehicle, and then take your wheel off. The next thing we're going to do is break this nut loose right here. Mine's an 18 millimeter, but you might have aftermarkets on there. Just break that loose, and then you put a wrench on here, and you can see this whole stud is turning as well as the nut. So you'll need to either stick a socket on here if yours isn't rounded off, but usually the sockets round off or strip out. So I'm just sticking a set of vice grips on here. And then I can hold the vice grip and turn this nut off. If you're having a hard time holding the vice grips, you can stick something like this through the jaws, and that'll give you a little bit more leverage, but you'll really have to clamp your vice grips tight to keep it from slipping on that stud. Alright, now you can push this out like that. And then we can start doing the same thing to the one on the bottom. Okay, so the bottom one is fighting me a lot harder. And two things here. If you can get a little bit of heat on that nut with some penetrating oil, that can help you out. Or you might just need to get a 4.5 inch angle grinder in here, right here, and cut this right off. That's what I had to do on the other side. Basically just make a cut down through here, rotate the stud with your wrench, make another cut because it's hard to go all the way through sometimes, and then rotate the nut again, make another cut, and then you should be able to break it out. Another option is ripping the boot down here and getting your vice grips clamped on the other side of the stud. This is actually working better for me this way. Alright, I've got my new sway bar link here that I got on Amazon. Links in the description below. So at this point, you're just gonna stick the new one back in. When you're putting this in, remember you can take a pry bar here and adjust the sway bar to the length you need a little bit. But usually you don't have to hold on to the stud when you're putting these back in. Usually you can just tighten these down and just really tighten them up, and they tighten up without needing to hold on to the stud. But that's all there is to it, basically. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.